Are you new to cleaning and feel overwhelmed by the variety of cleaning tools to choose from? In this video, we will guide you through the basics of selecting the right cleaning tools that suit your needs and preferences. The first step is to identify your cleaning needs. Do you need tools to clean floors, windows, or countertops? How big is your living space? Do you have pets? These factors will help determine what types of cleaning tools you should invest in. Once you have identified your cleaning needs, it's time to research the cleaning tools available in the market. Look for reviews and ratings of the products and compare their features and prices. You can also ask for recommendations from friends and family members who have experience with these tools. After researching different cleaning tools, it's time to make a decision. Consider your budget, the frequency of use, and the quality of the product. High-quality cleaning tools may cost more, but they are often more durable and effective in the long run. Selecting the right cleaning tools can make a big difference in how effective and efficient your cleaning routine is. Don't be afraid to try different tools until you find the ones that work best for you.